Alright, y'all, so we are finally here. The room is already dirty, but let me show y'all what I'm wearing. This is the dress, shoes, and purse.
Is the lighting good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add that one to
They got this big ass salad. Looking good. You looking like that zebra.
Do I look like a colorful zebra?
Look how many minutes I got on this now.
Oh wow, on the memory card.
Hey y'all, so we are about to go to get some brunch. I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever, so honestly it's kind of awkward. Good morning. The camera fogs up.
Wow. Oh my god, these girls got pink wigs on. Okay. No, it's the whole look, it's the whole crew. It's like the whole crew.
Yeah, weak.
Right.
Must be a bridal party.
Gotta be.
Child, the ghetto. They be more ghetto than Atlanta, honestly. So what's the plan? Where are we walking down to?
I'm just trying to see what's over here. I'm walking.
Oh, so you're not going to get a shirt no more?
Well, they don't. The Zara is all the way over the proper.
He needs to make up his mind. Y'all, I have not vlogged in forever. Like, this kind of feels creepy. It's weird. Because I haven't been on my job. Yesterday, Trey said, dang, you're not vlogging? Do your job. And I'm over here like,
do your job.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I do need to do my job. They kind of always do. I think, do we have a kind of mask? No? Oh, Lord. We in Walgreens.
Or do you want to come in after before we leave?
Yeah. Like once we leave from the
spot, let's
go to a Walgreens.
Well, we can just come down this one because we're not far from it.
Oh, well, how far are we from the place?
We're right here. Start walking to the social club, a 15-minute walk.
Yeah, come on, by the time we walk there.
Yeah, get some footage.
Do y'all think we could walk for 15 minutes? Ooh, child.
I'm about to ask you, they give me water.
Oh my God, Trey. It be. You want a water? Oh, cool.
There you go.
Thank you.
We got a photo of you guys.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Sorry.
Got it. Excellent, guys. Thanks so much. I think we need to cross back over.
Oh my God, Trey. Trey doesn't know what he needs to do.
Come on, let's cross back over. Want to get a free bottle?
I will. So I brought my other battery just so that my vlog camera does not die, and I also have my larger camera just in case, because y'all know every single time my camera dies. So
we can show them.
yes, look, what is it called again?
The DJI.
DJI, y'all, super small and literally looks just like some HD great quality like footage. It's super small.
Shooting 4K.
Yeah, it shoots in 4K. Honestly, his little camera looks better than this camera, if I'm being honest. So at this point, I think once we get to brunch or whatever, I'm gonna see y'all, because baby, it's hot. Outfit of the day is giving these foam runners. It's giving, what's this? I think this is from Amazon or something like that.
You sweaty.
And these are Fendi, and this is from what is it called? J-Lux label. Y'all,
you got Fendi shades on.
I said that part. Now I could never be, well, I'm not gonna say never, but I'm just not really good at like remembering names and stuff like that. So y'all, okay, take it off. Y'all, I'm trying to be as brown as Trey after we leave today. You think I could do it without getting what did she say she got? She got sun poisoning.
No,
thank you. Yeah, she said she got sun poisoning.
Yeah, I ain't never heard those shit
I've
like
never
that.
heard of that. Y'all, let me know in the comments if you have heard of sun poisoning before, and if so, have it happened to you? Because she said she had blisters all
I
over
ain't heard
her.
none of that shit.
And she really did have scars too.
Alright,
She really did. I was like, Jesus. Bro, if I hear exotic weed one more time. Now what I didn't know is that it was legal here.
It must not be that damn legal.
For it to just be like that, because where are the dispensaries then, if that's the case?
It need to be a dispensary down here if it's legal.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, see y'all in a few.
That's a little robo.
That's dope.
Full screen. Y'all look at the little camera. Look at the little
She got hers out here sitting up and shit. I'm jealous. I heard. I'm gonna call him back. Tell him how I feel about it.
Oh, the behind the scenes stuff. Say hi. Chef.
Did your Snapchat crash?
Hey, darling. Hot Rod Malik.
Joe said my health condition is chronic, but my tits are iconic.
No, I wish I had a twin sister. Come on, JoJo. Cheers.
What to do for your art?
That's what I'm saying.
Guess you put a mind to do it.
Oh, I never see a girl draw like her either.
So we're at the boat marina or yacht marina. I don't know. We're at the marina. Just waiting for everybody to get here. Of course, y'all know we early, always early. If you ain't early, you ain't on time. But anyway, yeah, so that's what we're waiting on now. Kind of in the cut, honestly. I don't even know. I'm gonna try to show y'all what I see. So you'll see. And then through there's more boats and stuff, so y'all will see in a second once we actually get on, get settled. Y'all, look at my little bag carrying everything. I got this cute little like clear thingy for all my stuff. It's supposed to be waterproof. I got this from Jaded London, y'all. Cute stuff. It's actually where the dress I was wearing yesterday is from. And then I got my change of outfit in there and some cute little sandals, and that's pretty much it. Quick little makeup reefer. Just want to reset.
Where did you ever call me hit things up? Yes, bro. You don't never take my text message. That's how I know you don't be checking that shit.
You hear Trey over here on the phone.
What I'm telling you about. Every day?
Look at that. Matt.
Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Cause Matt got on the game. He's like, I didn't even see nothing there. I was like, no, we was on.
Lip gloss.
Alright. Yeah, your ass is in.
Y'all, this is so
You
ratchet.
be working more than.
Something is musty. It must be this pizza. I'm putting on deodorant because I'm like, it's not
Look,
me.
I was just kind of let you know that.
But,
shit.
no,
you
it's
hear
fucking
something, bro, I will come out and help.
Look at onions. I'm some person. It's onions. So anyway, in case y'all was wondering how to do a
Yeah, I was just.
natural beat without doing too much, and you know you want to look good without being like super barefaced, like let me know in the comment section below. Because I guess I'll do like a, I don't know, summer, I don't know, no makeup look type of thing. So yeah, you see I just refreshed my makeup.
Yeah, you did. Look at me looking at my, you know. Well, it's not even in the shade. Damn, that makes sense.
We in the shade.
I said it's hot even in the shade.
Oh, you not?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a peek. No, I'll wait till we get in. Can you stand right here so we can get a thumbnail? Like, come on, right here, a little back. All right, now pose. He always doing the middle finger, baby. Okay. It's the crusty cray, yeah, pizza. It's for you and me. The crusty crab. Oh, they got some pieces too. Hey y'all, say hi.
We got a long fucking walk. So I just see these niggas get carved on the golf cart. Park down here. A golf cart. Yo.
Oh, well, they should have saved some room.
Look at that yacht.
I saw that nigga leave. He said that's an easy one for 5. I said, yeah, 4.5.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
How far we down?
That shit.
Down here.
Damn, we need a ride. Let's call it Uber. Right. I want to use Uber for everything. Could we get sidewalk Ubers? Look at the boys. You know, got their matching fits. They didn't give us the memo, but Trey with the striped shorts. Like that? It would have to be taller. Yeah, like that one where they're sitting up high. Oh, in the middle? Is this making y'all paranoid? Look at that. Yeah, because like any wrong move, I'm going down. Literally.
Well, you guys get ready for the party.
Yeah. You know, I got a vlog.
Oh, you a YouTuber? Oh, okay.
Yes. Do you mind being on camera?
Oh,
Okay.
no. As long as it's not
What about you? You know, you looking good. I see you. I see you with the braids. You know, coming through.
She a YouTuber.
Yes.
Are you monetized?
I've been doing YouTube for like 6 years now.
You told me. I got to
What's your page?
ForeverCryssy. Yes.
YouTuber, they be.
I got to get you.
Okay.
Robbie told me the other day. I said, yeah, I'll be following a couple.
Well, yeah, I told him he needs to get the girls to do it. Because, listen, them kid channels be making millions.
Yeah.
I still went, but
Oh, did you?
yeah,
What is it?
Started.
Matter of fact, I'm going to
ForeverCryssy.
ForeverCryssy.
I was okay.
Glad you feel it.
I already have it in my thing.
Yep. So you will have it.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot.
Yeah.
But it's a nice breeze, though.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Forever.
Yep, and then CRYSSY. Thank you. We got 2 subscribers.
I'll be on doing a vlog for the day.
Yeah, so I'm gonna post the Miami vlog, so y'all gonna see. Okay. I'm not gonna record the whole thing, so we can have fun. I'm gonna put it down. Okay. Just like in the beginning, you know, before we get too wild.
Right.
You know, I gotta uphold my image too.
Right.
When you
So
get
I
in the area,
understand.
like what is it?
Yeah, well, you know, you just want it to look nice. I usually don't include all the audio though.
okay.
Most
You
of the
just
time.
put like a song
Clips.
over it.
Yeah, I'll put like a song
But don't
over
you?
it
But don't
and
you? They
stuff
say
like
you get
that.
copyrighted if
You can, but you can download a bunch of like copyright free music.
Okay.
Yep, so look. Or I'll use like some of his artist music.
Okay.
Yeah, copyright ain't no joke on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You feel like cut it off if they play.
Yes, I've gotten 2 videos demonetized that are both over 1 million views. Exactly. So that was like $7,000-8,000 a month gone just because of those 2 videos.
How
Yeah.
long did it take? Because it take them out to really like how before you get your have to get so many hours.
Well, yeah, so the watch time hours, you have to get 100,000 watch time hours and at least 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. But I was monetized and didn't even know I was able to be monetized. So when I started my channel, it was before all this was like a popular thing.
Yeah. But did you set it up? No, you didn't know it was set up.
I mean, I literally just so happened to watch this girl, Raven Elise, her videos, and she was talking about how to be monetized on YouTube, and I already had 3,000 subscribers by then.
Wow.
Yeah, I was like, oh wow.
Girl, you didn't even know.
didn't even know, but it wasn't as popular either. It was kind of like a hobby for everybody back then. But yeah, it's so hot. I know. It's hot as in the mother. That would be a nice condo.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you got the wraparound low porches. That's
probably
cute.
got a lot of them though.
Until the weather gets bad, then you be pissed off. Oh well, yeah. Probably get better views. This one's nice. I'll be scared I'm gonna fall off though. On the edge of it.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That shit.
Yeah.
Oh, we see.
Oh, you can go under.
He would not even know.
Oh
Yeah,
wow.
it's like chill and that's like maybe.
He was like, yeah, no, I ain't even
That would cost so much.
Yeah. That's a huge. Yeah.
Just like that shit probably go downstairs.
Well, no, that's what he said. It's like 3 rooms down there. Okay, so in the restroom, I'm actually about to change real quick. I'm sorry, y'all, it looks so weird. This is it. They have like a shower, toilet, sink, all that good stuff. Boats moving a lot. I'm about to quickly put on my little.
Stuffing dick in the back of this hole. My rock spinners in the dig. They wanna fuck me, I know I can see it. I had a grip on the upper.
She ain't gonna remember. All right, I see y'all. Hot boy, eating good. I'm really hungry. Ooh, I see you. She made it on, okay? Meanwhile, we got a floating fish. We got a floating fish. Y'all, listen, I don't swim that well. I literally can like doggy paddle a little bit, get from one end of the pool to the next. But I'm about to get in with a life vest, cause y'all, I just want y'all to know. Meanwhile, look at this, going down, going down. They want to all be on that one side. Woo! She said 4 her eyelashes came out.
Oh, your eyelashes came out. Picking them out.
Yes, sir. We got all the little swimming mermaids.
Not the mermaids.
All the floating mermaids.
Floating mermaids.
All the flirty mermaids. Yeah, I got mermaids.
Little flirting mermaids out there.
Flirting mermaids.
I did it on here.
The more you gonna go down.
The more, yeah, exactly. Just stay relaxed. That shit that you just stay
That'd be cool, huh? Yeah, we got the guys out here though, you know what I'm saying? You know. Look. Oh, there she go.
Okay.
All right, now take the float out and do it. All right.
Yeah, hey, you better than can swim, then take the shit off. Yes, you can.
And she gonna go right down the bottom.
She'll be vlogging.
She do. She got down. Got her little. She got a lot of subscribers and shit though. Yeah.
I feel like somebody said something.
Hold on, they're ashing. Oh, all right, bro. I was like, what? You don't break that.
These just the action, bro.
But yeah.
Rest on now. You got the life vests on. Oh, fuck. You got good shit. You ain't got no Negro house. your life. You got your ID. She done check up about
Too fucking close, honestly.
Been a holiday in France. Shit, I can touch it with the operation hands. That's real steady.
Riding them up. Thank you. We're gonna go to the front, take a picture with everybody.
Okay.
Let's go, everybody downstairs.
You doing something? I know that's right.
So we're gonna like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more of this juice, baby,
Come through. You better say that. I know that's right. I'm not married.
Yeah, that nigga right here stupid. I look sexy. I need a picture.
Period. I got plenty.
Yeah.
Guys, come on, stay closer.
Happy birthday.
Y'all look so cute.
What's your Instagram? Tell me your Instagram, bro.
Have fun, enjoy life, we lit. Praise wet as fuck.
Yeah.
Where's Antonio? Nice, not that nice.
Right.
She got body. I don't need no
Y'all say what up?
Our great host doing his best captain doing his thing.
Alright, look. We're gonna go to the front, take a group picture with everybody.
My drink. Boy, they out here getting it. You know what I'm saying? What? Pearly whites, boy, pearly whites. You see the motherfuckers? Shit, yeah. We got OG right here. He doing it right for us, you know what I'm saying? Bel Air. Yes, sir.
I'm sweaty as fuck.
What's up, YouTube?
They done took over my camera, bro.
Rocks on me like I'm Tata.
Being that vegan wine life, you know what I'm saying? That's how we doing it.
Little start using your legs, pop up your phone.
You said 18 plus? Okay.
So we're gonna like, comment, and subscribe. I work for Brunch for 7 years. So she's not there.
Yeah.
Either it's so dark because of my glasses, or I don't know.
Let's go outside.
Yeah, let's go out. We outside. I've only been using one battery for the past 2 days, so that's a good thing. Yeah. Anyway, today we're about to go meet my cousin, get some brunch, then we're gonna go to do a little shopping. And apparently we can come right here to get beach towels and chairs.
Oh, yeah, so we just come on.
It's so foggy. It did it again.
Yeah, it did it again in my glasses.
Y'all, so in case you're wondering, we stayed at Hotel Victor, which is literally right off
Right next to
Ocean
the Versace
Drive,
mansion.
next to the Versace mansion. And this is where everybody like goes, takes pictures, all that. Hopefully it's not getting foggy again. Sorry y'all, it keeps fogging up because that's how humid it is.
Hot as hell.
Right. And I'm just repeating the outfit. Y'all know how I do. Child. New bathing suit, same cover up, nothing special. There were so many people out here on the strip last night. Like, real crazy. Washing off the dog. I'm weak. The one thing I have barely saw out here is bugs.
That's a
Doberman. They look funny. That one must be older because he got a fat belly.
Get spoiled on my work.
She look like a snitch. Outfit of the day, I forgot my jewelry as usual, but yeah, I just got some rings on, you know, my little earrings, glasses. Trey outfit of the day is, let me show y'all. You know, nothing too crazy. Just a little Tom Ford, a little bun action, little hundreds action,
Little Nike action.
little Nike action, little Nike action, little something for the girls.
Not all though.
I'm weak.
Kenya?
You good, bro?
I'm gonna sit him.
What's up, little man?
Hi, cutie.
Hey.
Hi, cutie.
You looking like, who is y'all? Who is you? There you go.
So cute. Y'all, I'm so happy. I haven't seen them in forever. Say hey, Jazz. Say hey. Yes. Ain't that right? Say hey. Oh, now you can't be digging in the boogers now and eating them. Okay, look. Okay, Jasmine. You know Jasmine eats her boogers still to this day. No photos. Say cheese.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Look, that's you. Yeah, let him hold it.
You be on the phone all the time on the camera. Look.
Y'all, Jalen's happy now. He got his fruit. He good.
Say, put it down. Put it down. Okay, now you can't eat this.
Yeah. We got a winner. Yeah, but the collar, it's a little short, and you know you tall. So the hotel also gave us towels and beach chairs, which is good. So which way you want to go in? Stomping on the beach, fool. Woo, woo, woo. Probably. It's hot. But it's actually getting a little windier as we get closer to the... Stomping on the beach. Woo, woo, woo. Y'all literally kicking up dirt.
Hey, we on the beach with that shit, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn, we in that thing.
I'm not even gonna do it. Dang.
Hey, you go too far.
Yeah, always.
Now, if they got that in Jamaica, I want to do that.
Oh, we're definitely doing parasailing, for sure. I'm be thinking about Sarah the whole time.
Don't get hot in this motherfucker. Oh.
Should I put this over the chair?
That's two.
Yay.
It is 15.
Tequila, tequila. blue or peach? Y'all know this camera doing the little weird ring-a-ling-ling-ling-ling thing. I don't know why, but it finally stopped. So, boom. Here's the outfit of the day. This dress is from, sorry y'all, can hear the TV. I think this is from Pretty Little Thing. Then of course, y'all know, same braids, makeup, all that. This little chunky necklace, I'm pretty sure is from Pretty Little Thing too. It's super cheap, like cheap, super cheap. And of course, I got my Jacquemus bag. Usually I don't wear the strap, but just because I want my hands to be free. It's something on this mirror, I don't know what, but anyway, yeah. And then of course, Bottega. I didn't know if I should have tied them in the front or not, but this is what we going with. I didn't put no lotion on my legs. Oh yeah. But yeah, so this is actually a look. Honestly, I was gonna save this outfit. Y'all know how you do when you got a real cute outfit, but you know you're not about to get no good pictures. So it's like we gonna save it. So y'all know I'm the queen of repeating outfits. So y'all will see this again if I don't get any good pictures. Like probably will change something about it, but for the most part, we're about to be wearing braids for the next about another month, just because we're going to, like, I'm coming back out here to Miami, then going to Jamaica. Like, we got a lot of stuff lined up. So yeah, that's that.
You ain't got shit lined up.
You know, he a hater everywhere we go.
Leave alone my life.
This is what Trey is watching.
The Hall of Fame.
Hall of Fame. This is what the room is looking like, y'all. Pretty messy. I feel like it's always like that on vacation, which is why I never usually show. Yeah, I got my mask. If you want it, yeah. Let me see you walk, 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 walk. Now let me see you walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk.
What do we?
Okay, walk. Oh, so funny. What's up? So you want me to call it?
Yeah, you call it right now.
I don't fuckers be doing what they want to do. Child. Look who I have. Oh my God. Say hey, little girl. You better say hello. He doesn't like cameras. Do you want me to cut you out? You want me to cut you out the video? No, it's fine. Okay. Yeah. You know, you always gotta ask. You gotta be respectful, people. Yay, this is so cute. I've never done this before. We did it for the first time Friday. Yes.
They're first, but we've been here. So they're first. Yeah. Ours, yeah.
You already know what you want. He was like, I was waiting for this.
We have to choose 3 proteins.
3
for the first time.
So what are you picking?
Beef, beef, buffalo, whatever it's called. I like the buffalo better.
The table. So then let's get whatever y'all want to get, because y'all gonna know what's good, right?
Yeah, but I like seafood.
He likes seafood.
Oh, you
he
like
automatically, the first thing he wants is squid.
Oh, well, you can get that.
So one squid, so now you have 2 meats.
Okay, so then 2 meats. Yeah. Okay.
They're good? Wow, I mean, actually pick it. It really does.
So is it milky?
You don't think so? Well, I had it Friday. It tastes like
my stomach gonna be like,
nah, girl. My stomach actually, I don't know if it's like this. I'm alright. I don't know, you just question me about like my realities every day. Like, why can't I use meat sauce? Like, what do you mean? Have you ever heard of meat sauce?
What's meat sauce? Where did you see meat sauce?
I'm saying this tastes like meat sauce. Like brown, you ever had brown fish and meat sauce?
what the hell is meat sauce?
It's a type of seasoning. Yes, you have. If you've never used browning.
Browning, I've heard of browning.
All right, it's a browning fish and meat sauce.
All right, but they just say browning.
What's a browning this I say it tastes like one meat sauce. That's all I'm saying. Okay. I think it's good to put on.
Just put like color. Like,
yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
It's like something you would see in your meat.
It's literally a broth, yeah.
that's what I like this.
But the yum
yum, everybody loves yum yum.
Yum yum is good. I feel like yum yum is just
But
ketchup and
there's
mayonnaise.
different types of yum yum sauce. Some of them are really good, and some of them are more mayo
Is that like what?
versus whatever ketchup-y. Yeah.
I need that too.
That's like what?
The last time we came, like the DJ was doing it. It's because it's Sunday. It's very chill.
That one's good.
That's fine.
The yum yum sauce, I don't know what kind that is, but it's really good. Wait, what's this one?
That was busted, I ain't gonna lie.
It's good.
Y'all, we hella hungry. Why are we eating no
I didn't make
sausage?
that part. That part. The whole ordering.
First of all that was fire. Like, that's my meal.
They might.
Right.
I wish they finish all of it for the next round.
Well, no, we can definitely do that. Now it's like, it's not even a problem anymore.
Oh, really?
Put it on there longer. Make mine burnt a little.
Kill the chicken twice.
Ooh, you see like that little crispy burnt piece right there? Like, yeah, like, let me get
I
that.
don't like tough meat. That shit hurt my teeth. That's why I like
No, leave it. It's gonna be good in the soup.
Radio. Boy. Oh damn, look at me.
Get some yum yum sauce, some soy sauce. So you gotta put the soy sauce on the chicken. Fire.
For my little meat sauce.
And then look how tough it is just to cut it up. Somebody
It's about ready now.
It's like,
Not ready at all.
No?
oh,
I
really?
feel like it is.
For you, maybe.
Oh, so you gotta let it cook a little bit, then you start to slowly cut it up. It's a little technique. Oh wow. I mean, it's just so meaty. It's like a steak.
Good for you.
That might be good if it's seasoned well, like a steak.
Would you ever eat like whale flesh? Like,
You couldn't tell me it was well flesh. Like, you would have to just, you gonna have to bring that out. Oh no, no. Oh. Wow, it looks so tender when you bit it. It looks good, but I'm scared of it.
Don't worry.
Damn. No, the plan leaves at 5. So you,
my beef bowl.
that looks like it was, oh damn, they just put the bone in.
Bone sit. Oh, yeah man. No sir.
U.S. food in their car.
I'm gone.
And they're tired.
Well, that chicken looks. But I mean, like to the point where the trainers come in. Oh, they close it? And Uncle, you better not say nothing about him to backfire.
To be honest with you, I plead the fifth. Let me get that cigarette, please. You don't have to answer. No incriminating.
Just hold on. Please do it. Tell me.
Hey, but you did right there.
We all want to hear. I feel like we all want to hear.
Good choice. Because I said other one.
You don't know shit.